Hi, good day everyone. Today we'll be installing and configuring Windows Development Services. So to begin, we have to go into settings into our Oracle VirtualBox, go into storage, and you need to add a new optical drive. And you want to make sure and select your Windows 10 Pro, not whatever you use to run the Windows server. When you do that, you click choose, and one of these will appear, and then you're good to go. Next, you want to launch your Windows server, just like so. Now that we have successfully logged in to our Windows server, first we have to right click on the Windows key, select disk management, and you want to select the C drive, right click, and select shrink volume. Now it will query how much volume you want to shrink, and we want to shrink it for 20 gigs or 20,000, and we want to hit 20,000 megabytes, and then we want to hit shrink. Now that that space has become allocated, we want to right click on the unallocated space, and we want to select new simple volume, hit next, and we want to assign it to maybe letter M, and you hit next again, and hit finish, and there we go. We have our new volume created. Now we want to go to Server Manager right over here, and we want to do to manage, add roles and features, next, role-based feature, select your server, hit next, and you want to scroll down and select Windows Deployment Services, hit add features, hit next again, next. You want to make sure these two are selected, and hit next again, and hit install, and then you want to wait for the installation to finish. Right, as you can see, we have completed our installation. So you want to hit close now, and we're going to go into tools, and in tools we want to look for Windows Development Services and select it. Now we want to find our server, and we can see here our Windows Deployment Services is not configured. So now we want to right click on our server, select configure server. As you know from the videos, we've done all of this already. So you want to hit next, we want to hit next, we want to change this to our new volume. So we want to do M, capital M, remote install, we want to hit next, we want to leave the two options checked, and then ensure it responds to all client computers known and unknown, next, and we wait for it to finish, and it has finished, so we hit finish. Now now that we've configured our Windows Development Services, we want to go into boot images. You'll see that there are no boot images in this view. So you're going to right click, select add boot image, we're going to browse, and we're going to browse in our CD drive, and we're going to click on sources, and we're going to find boot.wim. We're going to select open, you hit next, and we're going to see Microsoft Windows setup. We're using Windows 10 Pro, so you're going to change it to Windows 10 Pro just so that it's a bit more specific. Windows 10 Pro. Now you're gonna hit next. Wait, you can see that it's Windows 10 Pro here, and we hit next again. I just want to wait for this to finish. There we go. All selected images were successfully added to the server. We hit finish, and we can see here we have a boot image now. Now we want to install images. So we click on install images, we do add install image, and we want to name the image group something simple. You can name it like client OS. You hit next, and we want to look for the file location. We want to look in our local disk for the boot.wim. Alright, we are back. All we have to do is add an image, our boot.wim, sorry, our install.wim. Here, you go into sources, and you select install.wim and hit open. Next, you wait for it to read the image information. That is weird. Well, normally, I'm not sure why I get that error. It would just go into your Windows 10, your sources, and you see like install.wim, hit next, and then you hit next again, and hit finish, and you'll be done. So yeah, sure got a bit of an error, but thanks for watching.